I bought it because of those Nike shoe boxes right there. It looks nice though. I'm thinking this is a $150 to $200. Oh, look at this. Duck House heirloom dolls. Wow. All right, look at all this. Well, we definitely should have over 200 bucks here. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages, it is I, your captain, speaking, and we are here in another exciting storage unit. I bought this one for one and one specific reason only. Well, two. One, it was kind of cheap, but I probably overpaid. That around your head, I paid just under 300, but I bought it because of those Nike shoe boxes right there. You can see two of them. It looks a little gone through. There's a baseball card box, but anyway, let's just jump right into it and let's see what we got. Right off the bat is this dresser. We're gonna go through real quick and see what we got. I should be able to get my money back. There's a nice looking washer machine there. And there's 4 chairs. I don't know. Let's get through it. Let's see what we got. The reason I bought it was right here. Boom. There is some type of shoes in here. Nike Huaraches. That's a good $15, $20 sale right there. Tops. $15, $20. Okay. They look like Alex's size too. Small. So 1 pair right there. Then let's see what's in here. Smile now, cry later. Oh, cry now, smile later. Savannah, conspired by Connie Johnston. These are kind of cool. They're like Western porcelain dolls. Does anybody know anything about these? Connie Johnston. I'm thinking we have some more. All right, so what I'm gonna do, there's a couple more here. We'll go through these afterwards. Let's get through the rest of the stuff in this unit, and then we will show this more towards the end. Here we have a green extension cord. This is beautiful because I will actually keep this and I will use this for Christmas decorations and work around the house, and that's priceless. Let's see what's here. Oh, this might be priceless right here. Where'd my knife go? I think these are freaking furniture pads, brand new. Yeah, nice. So these are brand new pads right here. These will end up in these are brand new pads right here. These will end up in my new trailer, a whole stack. There's gotta be at least 20 of them in there, finely pressed. That is priceless because those are worth 10, 15 bucks a piece minimum, brand new. And I've been wanting new ones for the trailer. That's a big mirror. We'll show that in a second. It's like a furniture movers unit or something. Yeah, here's the mirror for that dresser. So we have 2 mirrors right here. We'll show those in a minute. Wow. Mirror number 2. Then we have, is this the top to that? Yes, it is. Nice. So that's the top to that table. I don't want to undo it too much because it's already well taken care of, but I'll show you here in a quick walkthrough. Beautiful. So that table is $100 right there with those 4 chairs. Real thin like yoga mats. Yoga. So we had 2 more shoe boxes. Wow. Wah, wah, wah. And then we have the table base. So that's well taken care of. Let's see. Let's carry on. We got an Emmitt Smith jersey, so that's pretty much garbage. And then we have a bunch of photo frames with nothing in them. Wah, wah, wah. Come over here, we got a blanket. Oh, so that is maybe a little bit better of a sale than I thought it was. Not that we want furniture, but it looks nice though. I'm thinking this is a $150 to $200 sale. Not to mention there's a $10 machine there. And this is a quick look at the chairs. Boom, chairs. That's a table base. Now, carrying on, we got a binder of sports cards because that was one of the reasons why I bought it. And what do we got? Jeff George. Looks like a lot of nothing. I'm not going to go through each page right now currently. We'll go through it in a little bit and see if we find something of special value. But it looks like a lot of just regular cards. Somebody took the time to whatever cards they ever had of that team. There's a chance there being a Jerry Rice for those green ones, but I don't see any 49ers. They liked all the wrong teams, it looked like. Wow. What was an AFC? What was it? And we got What is this? Ooh, a big chess set. Really? A really big chess set. And we got more of these. So let's set the dolls aside, and we'll do the dolls here in a little bit. And then after we do the dolls at the end, we're gonna move the furniture in there and so forth, and we'll make a little end scene here in a little bit. In case you missed the mirrors and I didn't get a chance to show you, here's the one that goes for the dresser. Here's one of the bigger ones. The other one was very similar. And we're not gonna peel this open. It's like a little foosball table. You can already tell, look, here's like the hockey table part of it. So we're gonna try to leave that together. I'm presuming that's what those went to. Oh. Got some records here. Do we have any good ones though? Hank Thompson, the Eagles, that's kind of good. Okay. Hank Snow. Alright. Christmas, Bing Crosby, Ray Price. Turn a sharp stick in the eye. Alright, let's get the last bit of trash out of here and we'll wrap it up on this storage unit. Well, we're gonna start showing these dolls finally, guys. I told you at the end one of the videos, I think this is still maybe the same video, but we'll see how it all works out. We've been selling like crazy. I sold this dining set here from the one $300 unit, and I sold this dining set from the other $300 storage unit with this dresser for $400, and then I sold this set here for $400. That makes a total of $800. Here's the parts for her. I don't know why she didn't put those away. And then I sold the black sofa set for $70, so that's $870. You gotta remember, I'm a turn and burn. I just took one load, I gave a load away, and I'm only in it pretty much those expenses plus my time, so we'll see how that works. So yeah, go ahead. Want to put your box there? Maybe it'd be easier for you bending over. You don't have to do that. Okay, you can do it like that. Ooh, dream catcher. Nope, we already saw those. These we did show the other day. They're all just 5 each. Yeah, I'll keep them if I don't get 5 each. This one is chipped. Ooh, Native American young lady there. I don't want to try to really stand with. I know someone's gonna come knock them over. That's pretty nice though. We got to be careful because there's a lot of music going on in the background. Okay, this one, I think we opened. This is the one we opened the other day. Yeah, the Savannah by Connie Johnson or whatever there. Okay, I sold it. Yeah, sorry. There's a big one. Look at this. Maybe somebody wants these. You think I don't know if I should take these to Alameda though. I think I'll just hopefully find a buyer here today. It says Chambre Showstopper. This looks like the lady in the Lord of the Rings in the middle. Oh, second box, he says. Moving on. I don't know if we could see clearly through this box, but I think we netted some type of profit. Here's the good stuff. Okay, Arm & Hammer bacon soda.
A brand new car.
Come on down.
Come on down.
Mini Champs, a Bentley Continental. Dream, 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 dream.
That's kind of nice.
That's kind of nice. My second youngest. I'm gonna bring that one for my second youngest right there. Wait, there's no string, but my second youngest is liking these little dream catchers. So
I like this.
I don't know.
These are nice ones. Okay.
Let me ask my woman real quick. And that's like that's still pretty cool. A Native American. It's not like Christmassy, but they're
another catcher.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what she says first. If not, we're gonna sell them. Do they swing? Those are kind of nice. What's the price on those?
Jose, you might want to look those up. They were together.
Alex, are these pricey right? Hey, Alex, are these pricey right here? That's a pillow for her. I sold it.
Sold?
Do we have a wigwam for them? How much are they worth?
Right.
Give me 300.
They're probably worth more. Some more. Little.
Oh yeah.
And the baby. Ooh,
I don't want it.
that's a nice one.
Don't blame me. Blame Uncle Mike. I gotta get 10.
$7.
Come on.
$7.
I go 8. I could do 8. 8's the best I could do. Come on, that's very fair. There's good cards in there. You're gonna make like 50, 60 bucks piecing them out. Cards are hot right now, Bruce.
She's.
Duck House heirloom dolls. Wow,
She broke.
that's not cool. All right, look at all this. I'm gonna try to get 200 a doll, maybe 20 a piece. It's just these are too hard for me to ship and make them be there safely. Hopefully I get something out of it because that'll put me just right. I'm already in a profit. It's just a matter of turn and burn, turn and burn. We got to get some stuff. All right, we have this beautiful, 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 beautiful. I thought we were done. I didn't know we were done. I'm trying to talk, guys, because they have the music in the background, so hopefully it shines over. We definitely should have over 200 bucks here. Look at them all happy. That was it. That was it. Let's go. Let's go.